Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to have a look at PDF to Word conversion. Now if you have a PDF and you want to convert it to a Word document, this is how you do it. Head over to this website smallpdf.com/pdf to Word. The link will be in the description, and this is a way that you can convert without the need of any software and for free, which is most important. So first of all you want to click Choose File, PDF, Open. It will then upload your PDF and it will then convert it. Then simply download, save. I'm going to open, and you can see that it has converted my PDF document to a Word document, and it has saved most of the things across. There will be some little differences, but it's a good way that if, for instance, you need a form, which is PDF, and you want to fill it in, this is a great way to do it. Hope this has helped you. Give a like if it did, and leave a comment in the description if you need any help. Cheers, thanks guys, bye.